or you want something to be used, you can't go for a willow wood and take this medicine, right? But what happened? The medicine was derived from the plant, and then the molecule showed efficacy. Then it was gradually developed into a drug. Now it is available in the market, and the cost of this is going to be very, very cheap. Right? This is how the transition took place from the traditional medicine to allopathic medicine. So the allopathic medicine is not something different from traditional medicine. The allopathic medicine is something which is developed from traditional medicine, where they got the knowledge from the traditional medicine, and because of the non-availability of these plants or other organisms, they started synthesizing these molecules. And the greatest problem that we have when we go for drug development is that when we get this molecule in the pure form, sometimes these molecules show toxicity, whereas it is not going to show the toxicity when it is in the plant as an extract. This is because of the synergistic effect that we have because of the other molecules. So we have to establish not only the efficacy, but also see that it is not toxic, and the toxicology test should tell you that it is having the required standards. Can I go on to the next, please? So, coming on to the importance of traditional medicine in India, we have ancient tradition, the historical significance of traditional medicine system like Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani. We don't bring in homeopathy here because homeopathy is not an Indian medicinal system. It is derived from the Europe and later started practicing in India. The holistic approach is the holistic nature of these systems addressing physical, mental, spiritual and well-being. It's not like allopathic medicine where you can just take some medicine and follow whatever diet you want. Whenever we go for these type of traditional medicine, we go for a holistic approach where even the diet plays an important role along with the medicine that you take. And it is widely accepted and practiced in millions of places in India. Natural and herbal remedies derived from plants and herbs play an important role in today. So we will be looking at these different classes where we will be talking about Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani. These are going to be called as Indian traditional medicines, where Unani is not natural, that is Indian medicine, but it is Indo-Persian medicine which has come to India. Coming to Ayurveda, Ayurveda is a traditional system of medicine originated some 50,000 years or 5,000 years ago. It is one of the world's oldest holistic healing system and is based on comprehensive understanding. And Ayurveda employs natural remedies, dietary practices and lifestyle recommendation to promote health balances. It continues to be practiced in India and various other parts of the world as a holistic approach to well-being of the healthcare. Can I go on to the next, please? Coming on to the Siddha medicine, which is very native medicine. We call this as a native medicine because it is related to Tamil Nadu as well. The Siddha system of traditional medicine has a significant historical and cultural significance in Tamil Nadu. This Siddha medicine is believed to have originated in Tamil Nadu and practice dates back to ancient times, and we see the father of Siddha medicine, the Agastya, who was the Siddha who brought in all these, and we practice these things as a herbal medicine. Next. When we come on to Unani, Unani, as I told you, is not just an Indian medicine, it's a Perso-Arabic medicine and it's a traditional system medicine that is based on teaching of Hippocrates. The Hippocrates is the one who is a Greek who brought in these into the system. It combines elements of herbal medicine and dietary therapy of other natural remedies to promote health and treat various ailments. Coming on to natural products, whenever we get some product which is derived from the nature, we call it as natural product. And these natural products can be as plant-derived natural products, animal-derived natural products, that is, it can be derived from any organism as such, or you can have it from microbes, or you can also have it from minerals. And in today's session, we will be discussing only on the natural products derived from plants and not from other things. And natural products are chemical compounds derived from living organisms, and they have significant importance in various fields because of their compounds. They serve as a source of pharmaceuticals, agricultural chemicals, and industrial products. And natural products have played a pivotal role in drug delivery, leading to the development of numerous medicines, and the diverse structure and bioactivities continue to inspire innovation of healthcare. So we see lot of compounds, and we also see diversity of all these compounds, which make it very different in our drug discovery. So as I told you, when we come on to natural products and drug development, natural products have been acknowledged for numerous years as vital source of active ingredients in therapeutic agents. When we look at the medicine of today, starting from aspirin, as I explained earlier, penicillin, ampicillin, tetracycline, all these are initially derived from the natural sources, and we got it as natural product, and sometimes we got it as it is as the allopathic drug, and in some cases the natural product we get is derivatized, where it is converted into derivative based on what is called a structure activity relationship, where we will not be focusing on that today because we are not going to have a drug development talk. We are going to talk about some of the natural products and their applications. From ancient times, the efficacy of natural products has been associated with the chemistry, biochemistry, and the synthetic activities of natural products. That is, when we talk about chemistry, we talk about the isolation of the compounds. We extract, isolate, take it to the pure form, characterize it as a molecule. And when we come on to the biochemical study, we are going to see the activity studies, where we do the activity, check whether these compounds we derive is active or is having a therapeutic use. And then finally we go, when we see that it is active, what we do is we go for synthesis, where the synthetic people start synthesizing these molecules in large quantities and then developing it as a drug. In particular, the use of active ingredients derived from plants for use in microbial natural products have long been used before the dawn of modern medicine. Thus, with scientific advancement in modern molecular and cellular biology, analytical chemistry, which is going to be used in case of our characterization part, the pharmacology, which is going to tell us how active these molecules are, and these natural products are being harnessed to explore the chemical and structural diversity and diversity of these type of products in relationship with the therapeutic effects. Can I go to the next? When we talk about these compounds, we classify it as primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. the primary metabolites are essential compounds, whereas the secondary metabolites are non-essential chemical compounds produced by plants, fungi and microorganisms. Unlike primary metabolites that are necessary for basic life, secondary metabolites serve various ecological roles such as defense against herbivores, attracting pollinators and so on. So the plant is producing these chemicals not for the essential thing, but it is to protect it from the environment. So the secondary metabolites can also be classified into different classes as terpenes, phenolics, nitrogen containing compounds, sulfur containing compounds, or normally it is called as heterocycles, and related compounds which are going to be very active as drug development and drug molecules. Coming to the overview of Tamil Nadu biodiversity, Tamil Nadu, which is located in southern India, boasts rich biodiversity because of the Western Ghats, and we have a lot of species which are medicinal plants, and that makes this as a very important place, and from where we get a lot of medicinal plants and use it in the traditional medicine. So in today's lecture, I'll be concentrating on these plants. These are not the complete list, but I'm giving some medicinal plants like neem, we call it as bamboo, turmeric, which is called as manjal, which is very commonly known, tulasi, which is Oseam sanctum, aloe vera, sotukatale, brahmi, the ashwagandha, amla, ginger. Coming to neem, neem is highly regarded for its medicinal importance. Its leaves, seeds, oil contain potent compounds with life which we see, and we also see disclaimers saying neem is toxic, and neem oil, when we feed so many other fatal problems that we see occur and so on. The problem here is whenever we go for these type of medicine, we have to know on the dosage. Right? Whenever we talk about allopathic medicine, we go for micrograms and milligrams, but when we go for plant, what we do? We don't give anything based on your body weight and the weight of the compound, but we normally take approximation. That is the real problem that we face with molecules and treatment. Coming to the composition of neem, neem oil is derived from neem seeds and contains various biological actives, including azadirachtin, with any brand or anything. Coming to the C double bond O, and whenever we have a carbonyl,